Hi friends, welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have the pool noodle balancing act for you to try out. It is a really fun challenge because there's multiple ways you could do it. So all you'll need are some tongue depressors like the larger popsicle sticks and old pool noodles that you can cut down into little discs or a shape that can be stacked on top of each other. And you are ready to go. So first things first, take your tongue depressor and then your job is to see how many discs, pool noodle discs, you can hold on the tongue depressor at a time by stacking them. And gravity's working against you, the movement from your hand is working against you. So there's a lot of things you have to consider. All the while you have to look at your structure. Is your foundation solid? Is it straight? Is there something leaning one way or another? You're going to have to think about all of that as you go through your challenge and see how many of these pool noodle discs that you can stack onto your tongue depressor and then hold it for about 5 seconds for it to be complete and see what you can do. Oh, mine fell over, but that's okay because you can try again. Then, if that's too easy for you, we have another level for you. You'll need an extra tongue depressor. Now, holding these with one hand in the shape of a V, if you hold them down, you can now work on 2 stacks of your pool noodles at a time. And maybe you have a pattern you have to follow. Maybe you have to put one color on one side. Whatever the rules you and your families come up with, that's for you to decide. But here's another challenge for you to try. Can you make 2 towers go up and stay up and hold them? Okay, if that's not hard enough, add a third, add a fourth. See how many you can do in holding one hand, because there's so much physics, so much engineering that goes into those thought processes on all the different ways to stack and what you have to watch out for in order to make your towers grow as tall as they can. So a really fun challenge for you guys to try. We're excited to see what you come up with in this balancing act challenge. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Topeka Collegiate School for your support of Discovery at Home.